Hello guys, in this video we're going to be talking about SuiteDash action automation and workflows. This is one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your sub account and connect to your SuiteDash platform and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow. So let's get the ball rolling. Inside your sub account you go to the app marketplace to search for the app. Let's go for SuiteDash. There you go. Click on it. We go at the install, allow and install. There are some credentials required in order to get the installation going. So we're going to switch to our SuiteDash platform in order to get it. Let's do it right away. Inside the platform, we come up here. We go at the integrations, secure API, and we have the public ID here. We copy, switch back, paste. Now we go and search for the secret key. From here, add secret key. There you go. We copy, switch back here. We paste, we continue. We choose the plan, we confirm, and finally we complete the installation and we get the uninstall. This means the tool is already connected to our SuiteDash platform. And now we can start taking some actions directly from our workflow for our SuiteDash platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give some thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below. And thank you for watching.